Introduce highlight features or overview summary for AUTOWN 2-ton, 4,000 pounds, low profile, hydraulic trolley, floor jack kits with solid storage case and rubber pad. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Lifting capacity. The low-profile floor jack effortlessly lifts up to 4,000 pounds, with a 4.9 to 11.8 inches height range for diverse tasks. Storage solution. A sturdy storage case is included for convenient transport and protection, crafted from high-quality materials. Safety features. Equipped with overload protection, a 360 degrees rotatable saddle, and rubber jack pad to prevent vehicle damage. Robust construction. Made from strong steel with easy, moving wheels, it meets safety standards for reliable performance. Versatile use. Perfect for tire changes, maintenance, and repairs, its user-friendly design suits any garage or workshop. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.